Hello, welcome to Hiring People Inc. Please visit us at hiringpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hiring People on your favorite social platforms.
Today's job ID is 35930. The job location is in Plano, Texas. The candidate should ideally have the following skills: 5+ years of experience in data technologies like PySpark, Python, EMR, data processing using Spark, Python, and Java. Preferred experience using NiFi and/or Kafka. Should have good experience in AWS Cloud, an understanding of the concepts related to data warehousing, data modeling, and expertise in SQL skills. Develop and maintain automated APIs and ETL pipelines that support product development and evolution at scale. No certifications are required. Face-to-face interview process is not required.
Thank you for your time, and if you think you are the right fit for this position, please apply right now. Hiring People Inc. Please visit us at hiringpeople.com/jobs to view our new requisitions on a daily basis. You can also follow us at Hiring People on your favorite social platforms.